There's a lot of shit going on, and I really don't understand what's going on. So I come on the
Yes.
live. Basically,
Yes.
I've heard what happened to that young lady. My
Yes.
heart goes out to her because I have children as well. I've got two daughters and two sons and one granddaughter. You understand? So let me just start patois. My heart goes out to her. I'm from Jamaica, so let me just go in a patois. A patois me attack straight. Yes, so what happened to her is a shock to everybody, and I really don't know what happened. So I'm not the one to judge anyone. I don't know what happened. So ask me whatever you want to ask me. I'm here to answer any question. And yeah,
Well,
because
well, well,
me not
well, you.
understand oh me not the point live yesterday. And my name a call and people are call me name. I
Well,
talk say what them
that's
talking about. Yeah, go
that's
on, let me give
that's
you a
that's
chance to
that's
talk.
that's what I wanted to actually give you a chance to
Mm-hmm.
clear up because your name was mentioned on my live,
Mm-hmm.
surrounding a nasty
Or put in
incident
some
with
sound.
this.
There's no sound. Yeah, go on.
Yeah. His name was brought up on my live,
Mm-hmm.
pertaining the incident with Flo, and your
Mm-hmm.
name wasn't brought up in a good light because they said basically you're responsible for these savages, raising these savages that did this to this girl. So if
How
you
would
want,
you
if you want to explain to the people, if you know
yeah.
these people, how you
Am
met
I
them.
responsible? I don't get it. How am I responsible? How, in what way? What you talking about? Explain to me and let me find out what you're talking about
Yes.
before I even say anything. Just
Well,
explain to me clearly because you know what? I wasn't even on the live yesterday, so basically I don't know what's going on. But I actually see all the clips and the video with everything that happened to that young lady. But repeat what you said again. So let
well,
me get a clear understanding. How am I responsible
well,
for that act that
well,
happened to that young lady?
well. See, I was trying to get a overstanding of the story, so I added, Puss, and Puss basically said you raised Birdie and these girls to, and
Push
you
no pig
sleeping
mix
with
up.
girls and all the things and stuff. So that's basically.
Me no want call Puss name, but Puss know my two daughter them when me birth out of my home, my two biological daughter. You hear me? Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, I'm hearing you.
Yeah. Puss know my two biological daughter when me raise, when me push out of my home, yeah? So listen now, let me just go into these details of these girls, yeah? Okay. My two daughter them when me have, yeah? Everybody know me go prison. I leave my daughter them and go to prison, yeah?
Yes.
Right? It's how can I be responsible for these girls and whatever happened to the young lady? I can't be responsible. I'm not their mom. I'm not the one that brought them into this world. You understand?
Yes.
Whoever to be responsible is the parents for them. Because when I meet these girls, there was already a shoplifter. When we meet Ellie, let me explain to you. When I met Ellie, yeah, the first time I come across Ellie, it was when let's go into the Ellie situation first, yeah? The
Yes.
first time I met that girl, Ellie, when I ever set my eyes on her, I know who is Ellie. It was one day when there was all want to beat her and young her. I get intervened into it because I have children in it. And at the time, I didn't know why they want to beat her, but it was a lot of them come to beat her, and she was at my house. In it. So I brought her to my house when they was going to beat her, and I said, all right, then let's talk about it because they was going to beat her. So that's when I come across this Ellie girl, yeah?
Yes.
However, from that, because that happened when they was going to beat her, obviously she's a young girl, so she's going to be taking set. And like, she's going to look up to me in a sense that I save her from getting her ass busted, innit?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So basically, she's gonna look up to me because obviously I saved her from getting her
Yes.
ass busted, innit? So that's when the first time I met Ellie and I come across her. It was about 8 or 9 of them was gonna beat her.
Wow.
Like they was literally gonna gang her. The same
Wow.
people them that involved, some of them that involved in the attack with Flo, innit?
Okay.
So that's how I come across Ellie. So when they was gonna beat Ellie now, I get involved and I'm like, no, no, because at the time she looked like a saint to me. And I felt sorry for her because I got children in it. And it's not nice to see somebody want to jump you, right?
No.
So as a mother, that's how I get involved in Ellie. Then come, I know Birdie, yeah? So I'm going to call name tonight.
Yeah.
Birdie, mother, Birdie's family, right? I grew up with them. Like, I came to this country 1990, innit? So when I came to England, my first place I landed was in Brixton, right?
Yeah.
So I know her family, I know her dad, I know her mom. So these are kids I know, even the said one that broke my house, Gucci. Me and their
Okay.
mom, we even go to Jamaica together and holiday, all of us. You understand what I'm saying?
Okay.
When they was
Okay.
doing British link-up. So these are people that I actually grew up with. Do you get where I come from? Where I know their family. You understand what I'm saying? The end of the day, how a person grew their children had nothing to do with me. I have 4 kids, innit? None of my kids have never one day said, okay, I want to be like my mom. None of my kids have never said they're going to go on the road to steal or become a shoplifter. When I meet these girls, they're already a thief. They're already doing shoplifting. I didn't meet none of them going to high school. I didn't meet none of them in their uniform going to college. I didn't meet none of them working. You get where I'm coming
Yeah.
from?
Yeah.
I didn't meet none of them working where I could turn out and say, raw, I take somebody from out of college or out of school and put them on the street. They're already on the street and doing all sorts of stuff what they're doing. Am I supposed to be responsible for that?
No, no, their parents is supposed to be.
How come I leave my kids them and go to prison and I never stay in prison? I've done 5.5 years in prison. I've never stayed in prison and heard no one said, oh, Michie daughter upon the road a shoplift, or Michie daughter they are Brixton a sell her pussy,
You
or
know,
Michie daughter.
I never
No,
heard your kids in
exactly.
any mix-up
So
business.
our person brought up their children. How am I supposed to be responsible for it? Me never meet none of them at school. Me never meet none of them at work. When me see them, I come from work. I never meet none of them in college. I met them on the street. Do you get where I'm coming from?
Yes, yes.
I know their parents, but at the end of the day, it's not my responsibility to grow somebody else's child unless that child was given to me from social service.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You didn't adopt them. You didn't adopt these kids.
Exactly. I didn't adopt anyone's child. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
So even if I talk to someone and I said, raw, all right then, for instance, so when I've taken 3 of them in my house, yeah, over the time I know them, yeah, they have, obviously they can't go to their parents' house. Maybe them and their parents, you know how English kids stay, and you know how children stay when they reach certain age, they have no manners to their parents. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah,
So whatever them and them parents, after them parents abandon them on the street, I leave them on the fucking street. Should I be responsible for it? Is it my children? Am I their parents? I'm not their parents. I can talk to them and say, all right then, don't do that. I don't do whatever. Can I tell them what to do? They're
Nah,
already unexposed. You know,
nah.
Ellie,
You
yeah?
can't force them.
Exactly. I'm going to touch on the Ellie situation, yeah, because I actually met Ellie mother. Ellie mother is a social worker, yeah?
Wow,
Ellie actually come from a good family, to be quite honest, yeah? I know I
wow.
met her brother, I met her sister. It's me when they was going to beat Ellie. That's how I get to know that Ellie was a strip dancer. Ellie was like dancing for money in strip club at a young age. You understand what I'm saying?
Okay,
Right?
wow, wow.
I was the one that break the news to Ellie's mother. I remember when I told that lady what Ellie was about. That lady break down and cry. Do you understand?
Damn.
You understand? Ellie mother own her own
Them
house in
kids,
Clapham.
them kids broke out long time then.
Them broke out. I met them on the street. I didn't take them to teeth. They was already doing what they're doing.
Mm-hmm.
So how the fuck am I responsible for what they're doing? I don't know their ways about. I don't know nothing about them. It's not my problem. It's not my do where I can call my daughter and tell them, say, you can't be robbing people, you can't be doing this. They're not my children. I'm gonna reach out my daughter house and say, what the fuck going on?
And honestly, I think they should be highlighting the good you did for them and not the bad, because you took them in from off the street, you know. So
I take them into my house, like if they're
Yeah.
on the street and they're young girls and I have a 4-bedroom. When I was in Jamaica, my mother and I was growing up, I remember when we have the one little TV, and my mother used to make the next door neighbor picnic them come sit them on the veranda and watch the TV. So I grew up with good art. You understand what I'm
Yeah.
saying? So if
Yeah.
I see somebody homeless on the street and I can help them, I'm gonna help them and put them up and give them a roof over their head. You understand? Because they're
Yeah.
young girls, and if their parents are responsible for them, what? Yeah, sorry, I took it up. Put it back in the case, yeah?
Yeah, yeah, much better now,
Better
much
now.
better now, much better now.
Thank you.
Yeah,
I
much
don't
better
like
now.
that they're
Yeah,
this thing. It feels like something crawling in my.
yeah,
Yeah, so
yeah,
basically what I'm saying now I can talk calmly because my vibe was pitch high, yeah? So basically what I'm saying, yeah, how am I supposed to be responsible for them? None of them. They was already exposed to all sorts of stuff. At the end of the day, these little girls, they want to be in big people things. They want to wear designer. They want to do whatever they have to do to get that fucking designer. They want to do it. It's not
yeah,
my
yeah.
problem. It's not my fault.
Nah,
But
it's
everybody
not.
wants to get on that motherfucking rich list to say, okay, I'm wearing brand, so I'm rich. They want to get their breast done. Okay, Michie will get her breast done. I want to get my breast done. So they do all these things. It's not my fault. I didn't tell none of them to get their breast done. I do my daughter punky breast because when she have her child, I did her breast for her birthday. That's my daughter. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah,
And she did
yeah,
her breast at the age of 23-year-old. So she never just get up and say,
yeah. Yeah,
okay,
big old man. Yeah,
sorry.
big old man. That 23 years old.
Exactly. And she had a child and she wanted her boobs done. And I did my daughter boob for her. You
Yeah,
understand what I'm
yeah,
saying?
yeah,
So
yeah.
at
No,
the end
no.
of the day, oh, am I the one that put them on the road? When I met them out there. Is their parents responsible for them? I'm not the one to be blamed. They need to blame their parents because me left my daughter them and told her when me there prison for the GDH. Bam Bam in a prison with me. Me don't want to call people name. She in a prison with me. I said, Bam Bam, go, cause them time them leave me to look for Sunday. I said, go to my house and stay with my daughter them. When Bam Bam go my daughter them out and my house, she said, Michie, then pity them and need nobody to look after them. Me go your house clean, the pity them, your daughter them and need nobody to look after them. So them
Yeah.
could have gone on the street and fuck, suck, lick, do whatever they want to do. Them
Real
never
talk,
choose that
real talk,
road.
real talk, real talk, real talk.
My kids didn't choose that road. My 2 sons them go into care. And we can put one of my son video right now, make you see pan this thing here right now. My son is acting and him go in a care. They take my
What's
video
up?
from me when I go in prison for GBA. And one of my twins is in acting. I'm gonna upload the video, make the world see. And my son don't want me to upload the video, but I can upload that video, make the world see that. Not because you go in care doesn't mean you have to be a gunman, or you gotta be a thief, or you gotta be a prostitute.
Yes, that's true. That's
You
true.
can
That's true.
choose your patch. My kids know that, yeah, my mom did wrong. None of my 4 children does not follow my footsteps. None of my brother, none of my sister, none of them not do that.
Yeah, I mean,
I
if
got
your kid's
7
not
brothers
getting
and sisters in the United Kingdom. I got loads of niece and nephew. None of them are a thief. None of them are a gunman.
that's a good example. Your kids ain't in fuckery, and these kids are. So why are you getting the blame for this shit? You know,
So
you
no
gotta look
one
at
there
their
for me and their
parents.
mother. Me and their mother. If
Yeah,
their
you gotta
mother
look
put
at their
them up on the
parents.
street at a young age, their mother is responsible for it, not fucking one style icon.
Yeah,
Their
yeah,
mother responsible for them. Their
yep,
mother should have guided them from a young age.
yep. That's what it is. You know, that's
So
exactly what
nobody
it is.
should be calling my fucking name and lie and call up my name. I don't want nobody call up my name in a bumper blood clot grooming. What the motherfucker? Tell me
Yeah,
something so could me and this me a bumper clot that. When you call me name in a grooming bumper blood clot argument to the rude and the outer order. When you call me name there, so. You better not tell me my brother come in a blood clot. Not do that thing there. When you not do that, not call me name. When you not call me fucking name, I help them. I take them into my home. I didn't left them on the street. When me and them used to go out and any boy I look them, I step in. Make sure them not get dry and not get no fuck. And I'm here, them mother should I do that? Am I right or wrong?
you're right. You're right. You're right.
So
You're
how am
right.
I supposed to be blamed?
You know what it is? I think just because, you know, you're the style icon, you know what I mean? People look up to you, but I
But
don't
none
know.
of them don't see the good that I've done. None of them see the
Yeah.
good me done. Me there, my friend, my ex-friend, yard, my name Shamara. And late at night, 2 o'clock, 2 of them called me and tell me they was on the street. Ask her at Shamara. And I left Shamara mother yard and go and pick them up with their suitcase and give the 2 of them 2 rooms. I give them pill, I give them clothes, and I give them lock, and give them own door key, and give
You,
them 2 rooms, 2
you,
beds they get to sleep on. And I take me drive from all the way to Enfield and come all the way back to South London and pick them up for half of the street after 1 o'clock in the night. When we wicked with?
you know, I'm gonna be honest with you. From my time on social media, I always see you defending yourself. I never seen a story with you instigating anything, you know what I mean? So I don't know why the
No,
people them
man, them
hate
have a
you, you know
fucking
what I mean?
love-hate relationship for me. They have a love-hate relationship. Me don't understand what me do. Me feed them. You know how much clothes and shoes we have and they borrow me brand new some of them and wear them. I don't ask them back for it. I don't go out there and scandal them and say, okay, oh, that person have done that for me and that person. No, they're young girls and they want to be in hype. It's not my fault, you know. This is what they want. They choose that patch. My daughter, them got one of them leave uni. Crystal left uni with her degree. My next daughter in uni, studying, doing fashion. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, they're doing good things,
One
you
of
know
my
what I
son
mean?
doing acting. You understand? And
Yeah,
the other one is a plaster. In the plastering. And they're doing security work.
yeah.
They're on solo now. So what the fuck? If I'm such a bad parent or a bad mother,
Nah,
why doesn't
nah.
my 4 children turn out to be no?
You sound like a good mother and a friend, you know. Trust me, you know what I mean? You sound
Pick
like
them
a good
up. I pick
person.
them up. I put them in my house, in my home. Where's their parents? Am I their parents? No.
No, no. You did
At the
enough
end
for
of the
them, you know.
day, they need guidance. You understand? But at the end of the day, if their own parents is not there to give them guidance, all the fuck me I can only talk, but I can't tell them what to do. Can I? They're big woman. They're done already exposed to cops. They're done already exposed to social media. They're done already exposed to all sorts of stuff. So how am I supposed to blame for them taking people picnic and them? That same girl as well, I
Yeah.
don't even think she's that innocent as well. Because they're robbing people, they're starting court, they're doing all sorts of threesome, foursome, fivesome. How the fuck? How am I involved?
Yeah, you know, you're not their mom. Shit.
I'm not no relative of them. I try to do my best. So how the fuck me drop in at this today now? Me don't want nobody call me bumba blood clot name. Wanna call me name for anything else, no one call me name for. Wanna call me blood clot name for the blood clot molesting and what they call it? Grooming? What the fuck?
Yeah. I wouldn't
What did
want to
I
be
do with that
associated
bumper
with
blood
that
clot
shit
thing
either,
there?
you know.
What did I do the one style I can that thing there? What did I pass in a blood clot place with me? Call me go there so for me what? My people them have never pick up phone and call me and say, Mommy, get me this and get me that. They don't do, you know much designer stuff me. I'm gonna ever see my blood clot picking them in at them. Wanna ever see me kiss them in at me things them? Them eye no red. Cause from them blood clot, but me tell them nothing be red eye.
Yeah.
Them hold them lane and hold them bone. Them eye no red. And them mother have a whole lot of things them can come take. Me left all my God a prison, my daughter have the whole of my things them. Should I wear them out? My kids them not like them something there. They don't want my lifestyle. They want a quiet life. My daughter, them and my son, them all when them birthday, they don't want me put them up on social media.
Yeah. Nah, I never seen your kids involved in
Them don't want to
any
go on social
pattern
media,
or
go on my
nothing or
page, you don't
nothing.
see a picture with them. They
Yeah.
don't want to be seen. Some of you are going to load the one style blood clot. I can't stop take set for me. One of the call me blood clot name in a day yet. Why all the time when I always step on me? None of them see the good when me do, you know. One of the people me send comfort in England. None of them see the good when me do. None of them see. When I see me blood clot, but everything. When the rest come put on me blood clot head like me still a downtown. I can't basket. Me left downtown from long time, I can't basket. Pepper and tomato scallion on my head. So why all the time when I put basket on my head? You know that I stop selling tomatoes and scallions? I'm
Yeah.
30 years me there in England now. I'm going to come here and sell a tomato and scallions. So I stop put basket on my little tiny head to carry water. It's too much for me now. And let me go and free me up now. But not give me no credit at all. Not credit to no give me. And always I put me down. For what? What me do now? Block anybody will talk anything in your life.
Yeah, I'm putting your food business up.
You understand? Me not do them nothing. No allow me, man. These young girls, if they know any better, they would have done better.
Yeah, word, man. They violated you, man. You can't bite the hand that feeds you,
But at
man.
the end of the day, you can't even blame the mother too. Because sometimes these little girls, once they reach 16 and 17 and they start fuck and take food, you as the mother can't talk to them.
Mother them probably fear for them life and all them shit that too, you know.
They want to stab you and they want to fight you. All the fuck me drop in a day. Remember me scared them in my house and feed them, you know. And they robbed my blood clot house and broke my house, you know. Yeah. And nobody no member said that they broke my blood clot house.
Them people that heartless for that, you know what I mean?
They
you
broke my house. Ellie come on my house and thief up me Louis Vuitton shoes. Me never put that the shoes up on my foot yet. And she thief my shoes out of my house. And I saw her Gucci end up in my house to come thief my door key. I broke my blood clot house. Me grew up with Gucci mother. I me never expect Gucci to do this. And she did it. Cause them I read. And then once, it's once that caused it. Wanna stop blaming me, I know that mama. I help me try for help. And I me give them the file bag. Them already I can't file bag. Me know a poor Ellie mother. Me know where that woman there got through. I don't know the lady, but I know what she's going through, Kingmixup.
I believe you, I believe
the woman have 4 people. Ellie is the Satan in that family. The lady is a social worker. The woman have one house. Ellie come from a good family. But Ellie is the devil. He has some people. Them are the devil. Do you understand?
Yeah, if anybody should grow up with love, it should be with someone who's a social worker, you know.
And her mom is a social worker. But then look how she turned out. It's me that tell Ellie mother that Ellie was a prostitute. And because all me get to know say Ellie a prostitute, and when them come to beat Ellie, I saw them attack the story them, and me cock me ears and listen. And I'm me go tell Ellie mother, and Ellie mother nearly dropped down.
Yeah, wow, man.
The 3 of them were in my house and living in my house. They help them get them one place. Me tell them what to do. Them get them one place. They don't live in my house again. They get their own place through the system. So them have them one little flat now. You understand?
Yeah, they on their own now, you know. You think
on their own, them a big girl a fuck. Can I do with them? What the fuck me drop in at it?
Yeah, you're not responsible for them. Yeah, I went you both
separate
ways.
Me can't responsible, girl. Me see what me now watch my daughter them pussy. So how me gonna watch other girl pick the pussy?
Yeah, that don't make sense, you know.
Me can't watch my own 2 daughter them crutches. So how me gonna watch other people pick the crutches?
Yeah, that don't make sense.
They just need to stop this now. Enough is enough. Me don't want nobody go on a live and call me fucking name. It ain't a fucking waste argument.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Yeah, but I'm glad you're clearing that up. You don't have nothing to do with these people from a long time.
It don't have nothing to do with me. They don't live with me.
Mother,
they robbed me and broke my blood clot out and do all sorts of things to me.
Yeah.
You understand? Me don't get no justice to me all for things them them take away.
Yeah.
Coming in a prison, them use gloves and do what them a do. But see the bumbo clock camera, them they were in a line up with camera. One the right up the so. The in a line up either with bumbo clock camera.
Yeah, you gotta do that. You gotta do that, you know.
Everywhere you turn camera in here, me line up the house with camera. Cause me not fool now. Yep. You understand?
Yeah, you gotta play smart, you know. Gotta play smart.
But them cannot blame people. Them mother, them to blame and them parents and them family. It's not my picnic them. It's not my picnic them. Because any of my 2 daughters them did in that me condemn my 2 daughters them.
Yeah, word.
Any of my 2 daughters them do something like that, me condemn them. The whole of them is a thief.
Yeah, man, yeah.
The whole of them a fuck off them one another. Me not know when them a fuck them one another. How me bumper blood clot them reaching a this? How it go?
I don't know, you know.
I go. On allow me make me breathe some fresh air now, man. Enough is enough, man. Look here. When I can't keep I do this to the one side icon. I'm going to bumbo clock come off of your social media. I'm going to shut down my bumbo clock page. I don't go and not see me no more. Since you don't want me either run away or you don't want to get rid of me,
Nah,
I
nah,
don't get
nah.
rid of myself.
You can't give the haters what they want. Remember, you have business for run and all them things there, you know? Yeah, you can't
I'm more
shut
than
them.
one camera in here. Me have all cameras and push me door and be a spray. Let off on them. Be a die, let off on them. I'm more than one camera in here. I'm more than one camera in my house. So I'm not joke with nobody. I'm not joke with nobody at all. I don't understand it. I bring them in a comfortable house. I put them around table for eat. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, man.
Me give them clean bed, me give them sheets, everything me give them. What the fuck? Then wear my brand new clothes them. Why you not gonna come blame me now? Why you not gonna come talk about me? What?
Yeah. Nah, them pitting they done season a badness already, man.
When me meet them I go college. Me not meet them I go high school. Me not meet them I working on a store and a shop and a place. Do you get where I'm coming from?
Yeah.
And that woman, them parents of business with them, how the fuck that has something to do with me? Eh? How it has something to do with me? How you grow your picnic? How you treat your dog? If you treat your dog bad, the dog not gonna run away.
You know what I mean? Only thing you was doing was looking out for them and they bit you.
But nobody see the good that I've fucking done. Nobody see the good that I've done. All they see is the fucking bad. All they see is the bad. I mean, I know what kind of bad need I can do no bad to them. Can I make care they got teeth not no? Them Bean is a shoplifter from long time. You understand?
Yeah.
No man not give them no money like myself. So how the fuck them are gonna survive? Is either them are gonna fuck feet or do something.
Yeah.
I work for it. Just like my two daughters, them have to work. My daughter have a young baby. She have to go back to uni. She pass her test. She do anything she have to do. Work. That's the path she want to go down.
Big up your daughter, yes, master.
You understand? When you're ready, you see her paint. You understand? She have a degree, she have an education. So how the fuck now? Who not gonna come blame me about me responsible? I 4 people I have. 4, 2 boy and 2 girl. Yeah, but me need some blood clot justice for true man. Never take be a set from me, man. Nobody not take them up and put them in a them house.
Word.
You
I mean,
understand?
shit, yeah.
I mean, do that. And now everybody will come bite down and call me down like me's a bad person.
And you put them in a good house too, you know, not
good,
like
good house. I give them good bed for sleep on. When me a sleep in my house at night time, me lock my blood clot door. Me and a girl now sleep in a bed together. A 4-bedroom house me live in. And me sleep and lock my blood clot door because they rob me already. And the reason why me lock my blood clot bedroom, because if they kick off the door, by the time they get to my bedroom door, I pull the door, the police is outside. Do you get where I'm coming from?
Yep.
From my bedroom door, even me alone in my house, I lock myself in my bedroom door. Because anybody come here, by the time they kick the first door in, the police is here. Do you understand?
Yeah, it's like a safety.
I mean, I don't have time for sleep with girl in my blood clot bed.
I like the way how you move, man. Trust me, I like the way how you move, you know.
Because you have to think ahead of them because they're demon.
I mean, these bitches should be fucking with you instead of competing with you and
I don't fucking
you know?
get it.
Yeah,
I'm Kingmixup. You know, say, me not even like somebody have a pen when me have. Me don't want to be like no girl. Me don't want to be, and that's how me teach my daughter them.
Word.
Be on a fucking step. That's how my daughter them don't love nothing when me have.
That's what's up.
Me don't see somebody with something and say me want it, you know. Me don't want it. Me want something else.
Yep. Unique.
I want me. I don't want me. You can't see two of me. Come in, I want to be like no girl. I want to be like me, Melissa. At time them free me up and allow me, yo. Me come out of prison, me take my money and me I cook my food and I sell my food on a batter me, on a beat me. And how much more things are they gonna do me? I want to mad me. Let me try. I will not worry about if me want to go thief again. Listen to me, let me tell you something. Only don't worry about me. Remember, you not to worry about me coming and worry about you. Don't worry about me when me want to do in my house. I me want to pick up my fiber. At least me not walk and rob nobody and sell my pussy. Me I rob the shop.
Word.
End the story. You not worry about me. How when me want to do? And if me not sell food. Me look up in my house today me I sell my food sell. Me stop showing the things because here I know. Why don't you see too much I eat and make you get blood clot, bad mind
But
and
Michie, remember some of your customers them for the
yeah,
teeth
I
and
eat
good.
when them get wicked from me because I show them too much. So me stop show now. If me even sell a food now, me don't show it. If me not sell none, and me alone lock up in my house and me don't sell no food.
No, I was saying some of these haters are your clients, you know, the doctors and the lawyers who want these clothes and these things for them, you know. So I don't know. Why do I bother you?
Look at my two daughters them. You know how much designer something me have Kingmixup? None of my daughters them not ask me for nothing. No. They don't want nothing what me have. Cause from me born from them growing, me teach them not to red eye. Follow them own mind. Don't follow me. Not because you see me with a cup here, you want that cup here. No. You understand? Me two sons them don't even smoke. I want to upload my son. Me not even upload my kid because
Nah, you don't gotta do that.
Acting. One of the twins them are acting in me inner.
Oh, that's what's up. That's what's up. That's what's up. And nothing smoking too. That's what's up. You're a good mother, you know.
But every day them I get up and I beat me.
That's what's up. You're a good mother. Nowadays, every
kid thinks
some type of drug.
Tired of it, me fed up. My man I keep mix up, they rob my house, you know. And everything in me dash and give away, you know, what them left, you know. Because every time I see the things that them left in here, me remember what them do to me.
Yeah, that's bad.
And it affect my mental health and me get rid of everything.
Yeah. No, that's the worst. Somebody violating your house.
I want something I have left out of everything where they rob me. And I want bunk bed. And me I wait for Squidly come take the bunk bed. It brand new. Me the buy it for my son them. And me I give it to him. I want somebody to come take it out here. You understand? I don't have nothing living here of what they come in my house and take. I gave away everything.
Yeah, the crosses with them, you know.
That was causing me stress because I keep remembering what they did to me.
Yeah.
So I don't understand why people doing this to me. I don't need to leave me alone now. I not provoke you, I not trouble you. I don't say anything else when I put my name in this at all. I do me that thing there. I don't do me that bomba blood clot thing there. Because if I pick the road and they need help and me help them, I don't know how me become responsible for it now. You understand?
Yep.
It's not fair, Aya. What you think? Eh?
No, I think they should just leave you alone and just talk about the good, because you're not out here bothering nobody. You know?
None of them talk about the good that I done. None of them not talk about the good when they do. I be a bad them talk about. And all you grow your picnic. Me have friends who have them picnic in them house. They pick teenager daughter, them woman in them house. You understand?
Yeah.
So if these parents let them picnic and carry them picnic, go put file bag in them hand and carry them picnic, go bumbo clad thief, who don't call me name and blame me. And who not carry the picnic, they go thief. Who don't ever see me and the twin them a walk and thief? Who don't ever see me and my two daughters them a walk and thief? And who don't carry the picnic them out, they go expose them to shoplifting and them go put them irate.
No.
Oh. And not call me name again, you know, no fuck crate. And don't do it. Not do me that thing there. And you can't do anything else. That's why I do my dieting and I make me stop because on a negativity and I can't deal with you no more. Because I follow you, I go swear. I stop doing the diet thing and leave you alone. And when I want to go do my things and Kingmixup, I go in quiet and peace go do it.
Nah.
Because you see them, I don't want to see you move forward, you know that.
You got too much supporters to worry about the little
They
haters,
don't want it to move forward. You understand?
But you gotta.
Everything I do become a problem.
You gotta remember.
Once I become a problem to Uno.
You
Uno
gotta,
know most people knock the door and me feed them in here.
You gotta remember.
Uno know most people knock that door and I fed them. I gave them stuff.
remember, yeah, the world, yeah, I deal with. So no focus on the little people. Remember, you're a brand, Michie, Boo style icon. You feel what I'm
And that one
saying?
word that mad them.
You know what I mean? So, you know, just kill them with the success. You know what I mean? You
I
don't
don't
even
want
got
to
to
see
hear
more
them,
of
you
me.
know.
Listen, I got loads of things coming to you guys. Keep tuning and keep watching the one style icon. Because Una can't break me. Una not God, Una cannot break me. Una can't bring me down neither. I mean, I have nothing to be ashamed of. Because I come out of the country and I make sure I do everything what I have to do. I everything I never do go sell my pussy. I do everything for bring all of my family them come to England. I bring my family them. I bring my family them family. I bring all of my people them come to England. I never left my two daughters them go to Jamaica to get the fuck no battery. I come here and I make sure I send for them. You understand, Kingmixup? I
Yep,
send
yep.
for them from them young.
That's what's up. That's what's
Me
up.
not left them at Jamaica for no good going at them ears.
A lot of
I
people
let
don't
them
even
go.
look back
I
at their
bring them come
family, you
here.
know. So that's what's up.
I send for my brother, I send for my sister, I send for my man and them family, baby father and them family them, I send for my daughter, them father, I send for my sister, them, I send for my brother, them, and I send for all the other people. None of them remember none of them things that we do don't.
No, trust
None
me.
of them remember them something, I don't recognize those things that I done. One always I come put me down and I come talk all sort of stuff. What the fuck you know about me? You don't know nothing about me. I be a shit on the talk and be a breeze. Me not beg on nothing. Me not ask on for nothing. You understand? None of me not have. Me not want nothing. You know. Nothing. Me not want owe me. Me not owe nothing. None of them can knock me door and say, make sure me come for me something more. Me not have nothing enough for none of you. Me not borrow nothing from you. Me not beg on nothing.
Nah,
Yeah.
you sound like a good person to me, man. You know,
How
trust
do you
me.
block people now?
Who you want, Black? Which one?
Yeah, they're fun.
I'm a daughter that you know. Hold on.
Tell her where all her comments gone about where's the maid?
Who is that?
Some girl that my brother fucked up.
Which one? Oh, no, my daughter.
No,
Black.
she's
That's my
gone.
daughter.
Yeah, not her.
Number my clap me in the day, yes, because my friend is a liar. She's a liar. I mean, I need to tell them not now. She's a liar. No, me in the day, you're not helper. She's a liar. She in a unit shadow work for great things. I don't love put on people and dictate people life. She's a proper solicitor. So what I say?
And she's not sending for me. I just want to block her.
Out of order. You want your house. You're not telling me you want your own house.
No, please, I don't want to come around me.
To them bad mind self. Them need to stop now. Enough is enough. I'm not in this with you guys no more. Please leave me and thank you. And Kingmixup.
Yes.
I don't know nothing about this woman. I've never met this girl that named Flo. I actually felt sorry for her because I've got children. But at the end of the day, she also to be blamed for the way she turned out because all she ended up with all these people and a snot cook from a hairdresser and I do all of these sex act. All these things. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, no, I don't even know nothing about these people, you know.
I know you don't know them. This is the young lady with the video that you see going around that you hear her screaming.
Yeah. I've seen all of those stuff, you know.
You know, but you know, all of them, they all do what they have to do. I had nothing to do with me. I don't even know her. I've never met her.
Yeah, that's not your situation.
My heart goes out for her, but they all to be blamed. Oh, they grow up and where's their parents?
Yeah. You had nothing to do with this situation.
Because the first time somebody give you a coke and beat you up, you don't have to go back the second time to get it, don't you?
No, some psychological thing wrong right there. So, you know.
I don't get it and I don't understand, you know. And whatever happened from this situation from now and after, I hope everyone gets their justice, what they need. I hope she get justice. You understand what I'm saying? Because it's horrible watching the video. When you watch the video, it breaks your heart. You understand? And I want it only break your heart. My heart was break. You understand? Because I have young children. And I have daughters and I have grandkids. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah. Anybody seen that? I was disgusted with the video, you know.
It is disgusting. It is disgusting. You understand? And no one should have to go through all that. You understand? It is bad and it's a terrible situation.
I don't know about Jada saying pardon after she's been fucked up by the whole of South London and East London and North London. some girl, Jada Pinkett, about pardon. And let me not start, sorry. Go.
You know them, I don't know them.
Yeah, but at the
Yeah,
end of the
justice
day,
for Florence.
Yeah, and justice, of course, justice for her. And justice for myself.
yeah, and that's what I'm saying. At the end of the day, you have nothing
At
to
the
do
end
with
of
the
the day, my name
situation.
should
You
in
know what I
this.
mean?
Nobody shouldn't call me bumbo clock name on life.
Yeah,
Me
you know
never
what I
depend
mean?
on life. Nobody who no deal with the baga. Cause when me a deal with my baga, me deal with my baga. Who no call me name and get me involved in on the baga.
Yep.
Me deal with my own baga. Who no call me name and don't have a baga when people on social media, upon live or whatever. Who no leave my name out of it. Cause all of the dirty girl we talk about me, no better than me though. None of one better than me. Me not ask Christ, me I tell you no.
No, trust me, you're living better than most people around the world, you know.
You know, none of them no better
I
than me. Me not
mean,
ask Christ.
you know, I seen you built yourself back up after
Oh,
all
you
the
mean?
little, you know
Because
what I
the end
mean?
of the day, if somebody kick you down, and you to pick up yourself and push yourself. Not because they done you something, that doesn't mean that's the end of your life.
Exactly. And I mean, I like
You
the way
understand what
you
I'm
pulled up,
saying?
you know what I mean?
It don't mean at the end of your life because somebody do you something. It don't mean because you go to prison, okay, that's the end of Michie boo. No, it's not the end of me. It only become the end when you allow it to become the end. You understand?
Yep.
So me don't understand this. Me don't want them call me name. Me don't have nothing to do with this. You understand? I mean, have daughter, my heart goes out to this girl. You understand? Whatever happened to her is sad and it's a sad situation. And my heart goes out to her. But don't get me involved in on a thing because these people, me never make none of them I go college. Me never make none of them I go uni. Me never make none of them I no high school. Me never make them I come from work. Me make them out on the street at thief.
Yep. And if they can bite you, imagine what they'll do to anybody
Exactly.
else,
Who
you know what I
else
mean?
would the fucking bite?
So these people is heartless, and then just watch out for them, man.
It is a bad fucking situation. And you don't know it's the people them that you let into your place. They're the one that kill you.
Yep, exactly.
So you know what, Kingmixup, thank you for joining my life, you know. And
Yes.
keep doing what you're doing, you know.
It
And
was
big
a
up to everybody that's supporting the One Style Icon. Listen to me, I got my bills to pay. I'm running a business. And Mitch Kitchen is open. It's there. It's open Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. At the end of the day, me still have to do what I have to do to survive, right? And I'm just surviving. I'm not troubling no one. I'm not molesting no one. I'm not doing anything to no one. So no, please leave me alone. And if you don't have much to say to me, leave me alone. So Kingmixup, big up yourself. Big up to everybody that tuned in to my live tonight. Thank you
bless her.
guys for listening. And the live will come to an end. I don't know, I'm not going to save it. So, I don't know where it go. I like and share and do whatever I want to do. I leave the One Style Icon alone. I have enough for Uno.
Bless.
I have enough for Uno. Leave me alone. Fuck, don't get my fucking name mixed up. You know, fucking shit. You understand? I'm a style icon. I'm a fucking diva. You don't get me name in a bagger, bomber class.
That's right.
Okay? I want to look out for the One Style Icon and keep tuning. Yeah, see it there. Yeah.
Okay, you got 1 minute and 15 seconds.
One Style Icon to the world. Time out, yeah? One Style Icon, yeah.
It's the body, yaddy for me.
Mix up. Done, I'm out. Life done, and allow me.